Vegan one-pot pasta ingredients: 225 grams of pasta, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of chopped vegetables of choice, 1 small onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, red pepper flakes, optional, basil leaves for garnish. Instructions: in a large pot, combine the pasta, cherry tomatoes, vegetables, onion, minced garlic, vegetable broth, dried basil, and dried oregano. Place the pot over medium heat. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for about 13 minutes until the pasta is cooked and the vegetables are tender. Stir to prevent sticking. Add more vegetable broth or water during cooking. Once the pasta is cooked, season with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Serve the one-pot pasta in bowls, garnished with fresh basil leaves.